Morning students of class 9. Today we will take the chapter The Fun They Had. The story we shall read is set in the future when books and schools as well we now know them will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? Now in this diagram you can see what type of schools will be in future. Learning through computers, virtual classroom, robotic teacher, moving e-text. In pairs, you have to discuss these three things. What do you like best about your school and three things about your school that you would like to change. Have you ever read words on a television or a computer screen? Can you imagine a time when all books will be on computers and there will be no books printed on the paper? Can you imagine? Would you like such books better? So students, now I am telling you summary of the story in brief. The writer of this story is Isaac Asimov, who was born on 2nd Jan 1920 in Russia. His family moved to the United States when he was a toddler. In 1949, Asimov began a stint at Boston University School of Medicine, where he was hired as an associate professor of biochemistry in 1955. Apart from science fiction, he was also known for writing books on astronomy, biology, mathematics, religion, and literary biography. He died in New York on 6 April 1992 from heart and kidney failure. Now, I am telling you what is the theme of the story. This story unfolds the picture of future schools where the mechanical teacher will teach the students and books will be meaningless. Actually, the students will learn only from e-books and the class tests will be conducted online. The internet will have wide applications and the subjects will like history and geography will be no more difficult for the students. They will get the hard books only kept in the library. Of course, this future school will be quite different from our present school and the old school. Now, I am telling main points of the story. In this story, Tommy finds a real book from an attic that has been printed on paper. According to Margie's grandfather's grandfather, all old books were printed on paper. Tommy thinks it was a waste to have a book printed on paper. Tommy thinks TV screens are better. Margie hates school and does not understand why someone would write about school. Margie had problems about learning geography from her mechanical teacher, so it is rebuilt by the county inspector. Margie hates doing her homework. The county inspector says that Margie's progress is satisfactory. Margie asks Tommy why anybody would write about a school. Tommy replies that it existed centuries ago. Margie is surprised to know that back in the older days, a real man used to be the teacher. Tommy says that the teacher did not live in the house and the kids went to a special building to learn. Mrs. John believed that each teacher has to be fitted to each child's mind. Mrs. Jones tells them it's time to go to school. The schoolroom is next to Margie's bedroom. The mechanical teacher asks for Margie's homework. Margie thinks that about a time when teachers were people and students had real fun in those schools. So, I think you are understand the main points of the story. Thank you, students.